Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, So Cool Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable little diaper cake, the one you see with the lion on the little bike. So here we have our diapers. These are the newborn diapers. These are going to be the rim of our bike wheel. We're going to take 17 of these size 2 diapers and we're just going to fill the pan. This is an 8-inch round pan. And now we're going to space them out, space the diapers out, make sure they look even. Here's our first wheel. Now we're going to evenly space our second wheel. I'm just making sure they're the same width apart. And now I'm going to add the rim to the tires. I'm just putting the diapers in one by one. It will be a kind of a tight fit. So now that is done, we're going to put an elastic around the wheel before we take it out of the pan to keep its shape. I'm just making it in the center of it. That's my kids having some fun. So now we're just going to make the rims look nice. We're going to shove those extra pieces into it. Just makes it look a little cleaner. So now we are just taking our balloon string, we're going to tie it around the wheel to secure it even more, just to help it hold its shape. Again, this is an 8-inch round pan. Here's our 2 wheels. Now we're just getting a cute ribbon and we're going to wrap this around it. This will just add decoration and color. I'm folding the ends over and then I'm hot gluing it closed. Now we're doing the second one. We're just doing the same thing, folding it over and then hot gluing it. We have our 2 receiving blankets. Mine are 30 inches wide by 30 inches long. You'll need 2 of them. We're just going to fold it. We're going to fold them both the same way. It'll look like this when you're finished. And then we have our second one. We'll use one of the blankets to attach the 2 wheels, and then one of the blankets will be our handlebars for the bike. Tuck this in, make it look a little nicer. And then you'll want to make so you can't see the part of the ribbon where you glued, whether that's inside the bike or underneath the wheel, just somewhere where you won't be able to see the glue or the ending of the ribbon. We're just putting the blanket through the wheel, just right in the center, and we're going to elastic these just so the blanket will stay folded You're going to do this to both blankets on both ends and also down in the center of the blanket. And then you're going to put them both through the first wheel, the front wheel. This part is a little tricky just to get the blankets pulled through and looking nice. So here you can kind of see our handlebars coming together. And then you don't have to, but I decided to put in a thing of wet wipes. After you have the blanket wrapped around both wheels, you're going to put an elastic around the blanket just to secure it and help the wheels stay together. And then I put the wet wipes down in between the wheels after the wheels were combined. I'm putting the bib on the front wheel. This will look like the bike part over the tire. And if you have a baby bottle or a sippy cup or anything, then this will do the light. This is just a food cup that I did. You're going to put it in between the blanket, and then you're going to do another elastic to hold the handlebars.